Hello folks, my name is Asif Rahmani. I am a SharePoint MVP and a Microsoft certified trainer, also a local to Chicago. I've been here for a very long time. I want to tell you about a conference that's coming to our hometown, SharePoint Fest Chicago. I'll be a speaker there as well, and I want to just tell you a few words as to why you should consider coming to this conference. So let me actually dive into it. You start from SharePointFest.com and you click on SharePoint Fest Chicago. Takes you to the main portal. As you can see, it's going to happen at McCormick Place in Chicago. It's a beautiful place, not that far from downtown Chicago, which you see the skyline right here for that. And it's going to be on December 8th to 10th. It doesn't get that cold by that time, so I think you're going to enjoy your stay here if you come. Now, aside from Chicago being Chicago, which it has a lot to offer as a city, I want to tell you about this particular conference and why you should consider coming to this conference. Yeah? So let's start by going to the location. As I mentioned, it's going to be at McCormick Place. Huge place. And the conference hotel is right there. And it's not too far from downtown Chicago. Once you are at the conference, let's check out the workshops here. So workshops are half day and full day in length. You have all different topics from beginners for intermediate and also advanced topics. Topics such as workflows and forms, deployment scenarios, adoption, client-side development, many power user solutions, what tools to use to create them. And there's experts and who have been authors, written many SharePoint books, have spoken at many conferences, have done many types of different consulting types. Kind of people like Ben, Dux, Mark, Christopher, Ira. You'll see all these folks teaching these classes, and their experience counts for quite a bit, in my opinion, when you take these classes. So definitely consider checking out these workshops. Now, as far as sessions go, let me go into this category here. You can actually browse directly through a track. So for me, for example, I personally prefer the power user track quite a bit. So if I go into here, I can see all the different people, including myself right here, are doing all different sessions, which are usually about 75 minutes for this conference, right? So you have things on InfoPath and manage metadata, SharePoint Designer, all kinds of different things that you see over here. Also, there's a different way to browse through the site by going directly to the agenda. And I like the agenda here because it's very straightforward. It tells you exactly what's going to happen on Wednesday, December 9th, and then also Thursday, December 10th. And if you wanted to know specifically about a speaker and what they're doing, for example, Ira Fuchs, I'll go ahead and click on his name. You'll see their profile right there, right? If they have a Twitter ID, which Ira does not, but others do, you'll see that right here. And I personally believe in starting the conversation even before you come to the conference. Most of these speakers, you'll be surprised that they answer and they connect with you right away on Twitter. So you can have that conversation and then you can just take it directly into their session and talk about it. Let me go back over here. So these folks that you see over here are fellow SharePoint MVPs, MCTs, and authors. The best of the best in the industry. You will not get a better ensemble anywhere, honestly, than a conference like this. Last but definitely not the least, if you go up, you'll see the sponsors tab here. I feel that SharePoint, being a platform that it is, can be extended quite a bit if you find the right partners to help you. And there's quite a bit of them that you'll find that you can have good conversations with to understand how you can take their either workflow tools or social tools or migration and other things like that to truly extend the SharePoint platform to its best capabilities. So definitely check out these partners. Have those conversations at the conference face to face. It's worth quite a bit. When you're ready, go up here, click on the register button. I've been told that the group registrations, here we go, you can save 10% if you register a group. You can also do early bird and save quite a bit of money. So when you're ready, come over here, register, and I hope to see you all at SharePoint Fest Chicago, December 8 to 10, McCormick Place. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.